Ni hao! Welcome back to Bugs Kitchenette channel, and today's video we're going to cook spaghetti. So of course, yung ating uunahin po ay magpapakulo muna tayo ng tubig para sa ating pasta. And then lalagyan po natin ng 2 teaspoon salt. And then add natin yung konting oil, 1 tablespoon. So, takpan natin at ipakulo na natin yan. So, eto pala yung mga ingredients natin. Spaghetti, pasta, of course, yung ating sauce, and cheese, and minced pork, sausage or hotdog, pwede din ilagay dyan, garlic. And now we're going to marinate our minced pork. So I add a little bit of cornstarch, light soy sauce, and then I add a little bit of white pepper or black pepper will do, and then mix it well and then set aside. And now our water is already boiling. We're going to add our pasta. So we're going to cook it for 8 to 12 minutes. So it depends on your pasta. So yeah, so after a few minutes, it's already cooked. And we're going to drain it. And we're going to wash it in cold water or running water will do. And we're going to set it aside. And now we're going to mince our garlic, and here are our minced pork, and then we're going to slice our sausage, our cheese, and our sauce. So in a wok, we're going to add some oil. We're going to add the garlic. If you have onion, you can add some. And now we're going to add our minced pork that we marinated a while ago. So I add a little bit of water to cook the meat. I add a sausage. And add the sauce. So it's too slow, you can add a little bit of water. So it depends upon you. And there you have it. You can add a little bit of sugar if your tomato sauce or it's too sour. So I add a cheese, and it's done, guys. And now we're going to add it on our pasta, and there you go. So cheesy, so yummy, and delicious. So simple recipe. You can add some parsley on top, and that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.